Hey guys, JB here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do internal penguin waddles, okay? It's really easy, super simple. All we're going to do is turn our toes towards each other like this, okay? And all we're doing is we're kind of waddling back and forth here, okay? Don't worry too much about posture, just really focus on internally rotating as much as possible. Every time that leg comes up, you want to really focus on rotating even further, let it land in that position, rotate this one even further, and so on and so forth. So constantly twist, 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 really pushing the inside twist. After you're done with that, you can leave your toes facing each other as much as possible, and then just bend the toes, right? So again, toes facing each other here, bending over and just letting the head hang, breathing into that. Nice. And that is how we do internal penguin waddles. Thanks for watching.